Good morning students. Today we start a new chapter, some natural phenomena. कुछ प्राकृतिक घटनाएं. In class 7th you read about the winds, storm and cyclone. These things damage a lots of property and human life. In this chapter mainly we read about the lightning and earthquakes. And also we read about the how to minimize the loss of property by these phenomena. First is lightning. You have seen lots of time sparking in the electric wire and a pole. When wind is blowing, there is lots of sparking in wires and electric pole. So we can say that lightning is also an electric spark. In ancient time, पुराने टाइम में people did not understand the cause of these sparks. पुराने टाइम में जो लोग थे वो समझ नहीं पाते थे कि ये स्पार्किंग हो रही है, इसका मेन रीज़न क्या है, किस वजह से हो रही है. तो वे समझते थे कि इसमें कि जो गॉड्स हैं, है ना, गॉड्स के गुस्से की वजह से ये सब चीज़ें हो रही हैं. बट अब क्या है, अब वी अंडरस्टैंड दैट लाइटनिंग इज कॉल्ड बाय द एक्यूमुलेशन ऑफ चार्ज इन द क्लाउड्स. बट बाद में पता चला कि जो लाइटनिंग का मेन रीज़न है वो है कि जब क्लाउड्स के अंदर आपके चार्ज इकट्ठे जाते हैं, उसी की वजह से क्या होता है, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ लाइटनिंग होता है. वी नीड नॉट बी अफ्रेड ऑफ लाइटनिंग. हमें लाइटनिंग से डरने की जरूरत नहीं है, बट वी कैन टेक प्रिकॉशन for the effect of lightning. In ancient Greek knew as early as 600 BC that when amber rod was rubbed with fur, it attracts light objects as hair and fur. Ancient time में nowly we can check. We take a pen and rub with hair. After that we can take some pieces of papers. The pen attract the pieces of paper. It means that by the rubbing of an object, the object is carrying a charge and attracts other objects. Next topic is charging by rubbing. Rubbing means basically the charge is created by friction. The charge is created by friction when two objects and the surfaces of both objects are rubbed with each other. Both objects get a charge. Charge, that means attraction. That means there is an attraction between them. These objects are called charged objects. But these objects carry a small charge. You have seen activity 15.5. Object to rub: refill, polythene, woolen cloth. These objects rubbed, and second is material used for rubbing. First है refill, balloon, razor, steel spoon. And these objects rub with these materials. And third column is attracts, does not attract pieces of paper, charge, not charge. Second, types of charges and their interaction. There are lots of activity have been done to take charges. First of all, we take two inflated balloon. Inflated means air-filled balloon. When we rub each other, both the balloon, they repel each other. So by these activities we can say that like charges are repel each other and unlike charges attract each other. Let us summarize the observation. First, a charged balloon repelled a charged balloon. Second, a charged refill repelled a charged refill, but a charged balloon attracted a charged refill. That means The same charges or like charges repel each other, but unlike charges attract to each other. It is a convention to call the charges acquired by a glass rod when it is rubbed with silk as positive. Next is transfer of charge. Transfer of charge: when we rub two objects each other and the objects get attracted after some times by rubbing, that means the charge is transferred to other object to attract the another object. Here is a term electroscope. Electroscope basically is a device used to test whether an object is carrying charge or not. इलेक्ट्रोस्कोप आपको बताया कि किसी ऑब्जेक्ट के अंदर चार्ज है या नहीं है.